In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy items in monday.com. Copying or duplicating items in monday.com is a simple but very powerful way to save time, stay consistent, and avoid repetitive data entry. Whether you're managing projects, tracking tasks, or organizing your team's workflow, knowing how to quickly copy an existing item can really streamline your process. Let's walk through it step by step, and I'll explain what's happening along the way so it's easy to remember. First, make sure you're on the correct board inside monday.com. This is the board that contains the item you want to copy. Take a moment to scan your list of items and locate the specific one you want to duplicate. It could be a task, a feature request, a piece of content, or anything else your team tracks there. Once you've found the item, move your mouse over it and right-click on it. If you're using a trackpad, that usually means clicking with 2 fingers or using whatever gesture you've set up for a right-click. When you right-click, a small context menu will appear on your screen. This menu shows a list of quick actions you can take on that specific item. In that context menu, look for the option labeled Duplicate. This is monday.com's term for copying an item. Go ahead and click on Duplicate. As soon as you do, monday.com will create a new item that's based on the one you just duplicated. You'll see a new item appear in your board, usually directly under or near the original. This new item will typically carry over the same structure as the original, including the item name and most of the column values, depending on your board setup and any automation rules you might have. Think of it as a ready-made template you can now adjust. From here, you can edit the duplicated item just like any other. Click into the item name to change the title, update dates, adjust statuses, assign it to a different team member, or modify any other fields that need to be unique. This is especially helpful if you repeat similar tasks regularly and only need to tweak a few details each time. That's all there is to it. Right-click on an item, choose Duplicate, and then customize the new copy to fit your needs. Once you get used to this, it becomes a quick habit that can significantly speed up your work in monday.com